How to find job vacancies on the Digital Hub. Looking for a new job opportunities? Start by clicking on menu button. From the drop down, click on job vacancies. Now you will see list of all current job openings. Click on job title. You can see job description such as qualification, number of vacancy and experience needed. If you want to narrow down your search, go to filter and enter keyword or location and suitable qualification and sort for salary and job category and willingness to relocate and click on filter. Or if you want to contact employer directly, click on contact employer. Here you can type your message and contact the employer directly. Click on send to share a message. And that's it. Start exploring your next career opportunity right from the Digital Hub. Best of luck with your job search.